Hello, 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 Tin Man here in the BAM. Excuse me. Curtis sent me this box here that he had got in on trade, and said it wasn't doing the watts that it was supposed to be doing. And, well, I couldn't tell if anybody had made any changes to it or not. So we went ahead and went in and changed the combining up a little bit on it, and made some, different changes rather to it. A little dusty, huh? Need to clean it up before it goes out. Kurt, I said Curtis. Kurt, I'll be in touch with you, get this thing back over to you. But let's show you what our key down voltage will be. 14.4. And you guys know my 99V. It does a whole whopping 23 peak watts, about 8 bird. Alright, so we will go ahead and kick on the power. We do have the variable max. Put about a 1.5 watt, about 1.5 watt dead key in it. And we're on dummy load. Let's see if I can get that voltage and the amperage in. The voltage and the wattage in. Average 1000 watt. There's 1000. There in the blur is 500. And there's 600. There's PEP 2500 watt scale, and there's 1000. Just trying to get the voltage in here at once so you can see it all at once. So you'll see about 500 bird and about almost 900 PEP. So we'll turn down the average a little bit. The PEP goes up. We're about 300 bird. About the same. We'll turn the dead key up just a little bit. And then we're at 400. And then we'll go about 1.5 watts. And then we're back at about 500 bird. Here's your reflect. No SWRs. The reflect. They're pretty good. So it's doing this thing like a chicken one now. I'm going to turn it up to about a 1.7 watt dead key, which is right at the edge. And you'll see it go up a little bit. And then there's close to a 2 watt, which I really wouldn't recommend. Mainly my dead key is all swing. I'm not doing an actual dead key, I'm just swinging. I carried up. You'll see that if I leave my knob the same, I'm still doing about 23 watts. So I just carried my output power up some. So Mr. Kurt, it's coming to you, buddy. Let's see here. There it is. I may need to blur that part out. I didn't realize it had the name on it that he got it from. Anyway, Tin Man down here, bam, trying to hurry up before I go into surgery. Y'all take care, blah, blah.